To fix a faulty thermostat on an air conditioner, it's essential to understand the possible causes of the issue. Debris and dirt accumulation can lead to electrical and mechanical problems, affecting the thermostat's performance. When dirt builds up on the thermostat, it can prevent it from functioning properly. Another reason for a thermostat malfunction is dead batteries. As some thermostats rely on batteries as their power source, poor wiring between the thermostat and the air conditioner can also be a culprit, with loose or damaged wires causing the unit to fail. To resolve these issues, start by cleaning the thermostat. Switch off the power supply, remove the thermostat case, and gently brush away dirt and debris. If the problem lies with the batteries, simply replace them with new ones. Additionally, check for loose connections by switching off the power source and inspecting the wires. Ensure all connections are secure and replace any damaged wires with new ones that have the same features. By addressing these potential causes and implementing the suggested solutions, you should be able to fix a faulty thermostat on your air conditioner.